Welcome back everybody. So today we are making a bowl from Sycamore and we're going to be using the Intrinsic Colors from Hampshire Sheen. So I just marked out there for the mortise of the bowl. And there is the mark for the foot. Alright, so we're just going to get the lathe up to speed and we're going to start turning with the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're going to start turning it round to shape. There's some nice ribbons there from the colour. And there we go. Got a nice little crack in the bowl there. Now we're going to turn around to the bottom of the bowl now. We'll start off with the mid-size detailer and just start working away at the tenon or the mortise. Clean it out with a number 1 hollower, flattening off the surfaces there with a mid-size rougher, flattening off the foot, and going back with the detailer just to match the shape of the jaws. There we go, just moving the tool rest. Alright, I've already done most of the sanding, but now we're going to be sanding into 400 grit. There we go. Get compressed air, just blow any dust out of that crack. I decided not to fill it in the end. And a bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out any grain. And time for some colour, such as the Intrinsic range from Hampshire Sheen. So starting off with some forest green. So we're just drying it off now with a bit of friction with a clean paper towel. And a bit of 400 grit, and I'm just going to go over the bowl and just sand in random places to begin with. And then all over, just a light in that green, and a few more random places. And go on with some plum intrinsic. Just dab it all over. A bit of 400 grit there, just a light in the plum. And some sky blue intrinsic. Again, just dabbing it in random different places. And some methylated spirits to blend all them together. We kind of went into this video with a bit of a plan, but unfortunately not all plans work out. It ended up very similar to the vase I did a few weeks ago, so I'll leave links up in the cards if you want to check that video out. A bit of ruby intrinsic. Once again, just dabbing it all over in random places. And a bit of honey to finish it off. Just put all over. And some methylated spirits or denatured coal to blend all the colours together. As you can probably see what I mean by not all plans work out, but I'm still interested to know if you know what you think. So yeah, let us know if you think it's a success or a failure. Just drying all that off with a clean paper towel, with a bit of friction, and burnishing it at the same time. There we go. Alright, some cellulose sanding sealer that's been pre-thinned from Hampshire Sheen. And you can finally see the colours pop now when you put this on. There we go. And some Hampshire Sheen high gloss. If anybody's interested in any Hampshire Sheen products used in this video, there will be a link down in the description. Just wiping it all over now. Get some nice even coverage. And wipe it all over, nice and slow. And then what you do is you let your solvents evaporate, and you turn it up to about 1000 to 1200, and then you just buff it in. not pressing too hard. You don't want to buff all the wax off. And there you go. That's the bottom wall outside done. Okay, so we're going to turn ourselves to the inside of the bowl now, and we're going to start off with the number 1 hollower. Just facing off the surface to start off with. And now we're going to start plunging in, taking the rest of the way and hogging it all out. You see it cutting through the wood like butter. Okay, there's a mid-sized finisher there, just take out any ridges that might have happened. And there we go. Right, once again I've done most of the sanding, so we're just going to sand up to 240 here. We had methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit Abrasive Paste. There will be links down for that down in the description. There are UK and USA distributors, links down below. And finally some Hampshire Sheen wax once again, just to finish it off. Jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. Yeah, I'm curious to know if you think this bowl was a success or a failure with regards to the colouring. There will be some pictures at the end, so yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, share it your friends, share it your family, share it your enemies, and until the next one, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.